Having constructed the main steering assembly with bag I, it's now time to move to bag J, where we'll mount the steering assembly to the main front end. In comparison to previous bags, there's very little in this one. The plastic front body mount along with some extra hardware to get us running. You'll need to keep some thread lock handy for this one too. So with that said, we'll crack on by placing the front body mount onto the plastic plate, keeping the two recessed screw holes facing to the rear, and secure in place from the bottom using a single 8mm flathead screw. Now we can attach this to the top of the steering assembly from our previous kit bag. To do this, grab the steering posts and push the rounded end through the bell cranks. And note, these posts are pre-threaded, so secure the top body mount we just prepared into position using 10mm button head screws, complete with some thread lock considering we're screwing into metal. Ensure the assembly moves freely. Now we can reach for our front end assembly and place the steering assembly so that the two remaining front mount holes line up with the two holes on the top of the gearbox, and secure into place using the two included 10mm button head screws. All that's left is to secure the steering links to the spindles. To do that, feed a 20mm steering link screw through the bottom of the spindle arm, drop on the 4 washers included with this kit bag, then drop on the steering link, and finally tighten into place using a lock nut. Repeat the same process on the opposite side, and secure with a lock nut, and with that we're pretty much finished with kit bag J. The steering assembly is now built, and as with all other parts, it's turning completely free from any binding whatsoever. If you have any binding at this stage, you need to reverse and take a look at what's missing, as it'll just cause issues later. Nevertheless, both the front and rear ends of the vehicle are built and complete. We're finally ready to get these bolted down onto the main chassis, and our buggy will really start to take shape. So join me in the next video with bag K.